back to our UCTV Cook-Off Challenge. We have our two chefs today, Chef Jay and Chef Serena, competing in our second Student Cook-Off Challenge. Today, our chefs will be given a set of ingredients and they must cook the best meal for our judge Isaiah. When the timer starts, they will both have 30 minutes to cook their best meal. Are you guys ready to see your ingredients?
Let's do it.
Are you ready? All right. You guys are both gonna have frozen sweet and sour chicken and chicken Alfredo. You guys got any ideas? All right, your timer starts now. You have 30 minutes.
We don't have any oils.
Yeah, no oils.
So I'm just going to put the, what the hell is this? Oh, the season. Okay, the seasoning to it. So that's gonna be something like the basic ingredients before I'm putting the actual meal in it. But that one I might just gonna heat up to make it softer because I only have 30 minutes.
Good question. I don't know how to open it. Oh, there you go.
Thank you so much. That's gonna be something like this.
Yeah.
Chefs, how are we doing?
We're doing good. Just waiting on the microwave.
Still in the microwave?
Yeah.
Okay.
It had a high cook time.
That's gonna be something.
I'm feeling pretty good. I'm getting started on the second preparation part of my meal. It's definitely going to be different. I'm not sure the judges
Sorry,
have ever
excuse me.
tried anything like this before. I'm kind of going out of my comfort zone for it, you know. So we'll see how they feel about creativity here.
Interrupt, I have an announcement to make.
I don't know.
Due to time constraints, you only have 15 minutes left now to cook.
Wow.
15 minutes.
I'm gonna make some sweet and sour chicken stuffed with pasta Alfredo. You know, I think it's a different take on. I think it's a different take on sweet and sour chicken. I don't think anyone's really seen it before. So we'll see how the judges think. From the judge.
Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about what's going on in that, that kitchen. He's just stuffing food with his hands.
I just wanted to make the Alfredo sauce really like soft and making sure like with some chicken piece decorated, so it's gonna be a super chicken party.
Right now I'm just clearing out the chicken, getting it ready for the pasta to go inside. Start filling these chickens up with pasta. We'll be on our merry way. Some garlic powder. It's really gonna bring out the flavor of the sesame in the chicken. Oh, you just need a little bit.
Chefs, I have one more announcement to make. Due to further time constraints, you have 4 minutes left, starting right now.
You got 4 minutes.
Chefs, you have 60 seconds left.
Oh no.
60 seconds.
Seriously?
1 minute, starting now.
like
Keep
a
pencils
crab.
down. All right. Great job, guys. All right. Well, that was fun. Time to put these dishes to the test with our celebrity chef Isaiah. First up is Chef Serena's dish. Chef Serena, what did you make?
Okay, so my idea is like the chicken party. Okay, it's a big chicken family, and basically everybody have to have some something like a rice or pasta. And this time we only have pasta, so I prefer to use the pasta. Since the rice looks kind of gross to me, so I just try to make the pasta mix with the chicken, and then I put some chicken nuggets for the decoration. Well, I know it's unhealthy, but unless it's not frozen anymore.
All right. Awesome. Chef Isaiah, dig in.
She just said the rice was disgusting.
Chef Isaiah, dig in.
This looks really good.
No.
It's really good.
How is it, Chef? It's that good.
No, it's really, it's a, wow, you really out. What's next?
All right. Up next, we have our meal from Chef Jay. Chef, what did you make?
So I really went with a hybrid dish on this one. Usually you're either eating chicken or pasta. You're never really having pasta inside of a chicken, and I just wanted to create something new with this dish, so I hope the judge likes it.
I feel like the only thing about that is, though, I just had chicken and pasta.
Yeah, but the pasta wasn't inside the chicken.
That's got a point.
Yeah.
I did it.
Chef, how is it?
Definitely a contender. It's really like a tough one. I really like the creativity with but I think this is a little more practical for me, and I like this one.
All right, Chef Serena, you won. Let me try some of that.
Really?
Let's see how it is.
Seriously? Are you seriously?
It's really not that bad.
Try the other one.
Fantastic.
Try that one.
I think you definitely made the right call. Thanks, guys. Cool. Yeah, the nuggets were still cold, so that didn't help. Ew.